may be overwhelmingly Native American, but a mestizo from northern Mexico may have much less. This is even more interesting when you consider that Native Americans in the southwestern US have made more contact with the more European northerners, and may perceive the rest of Mexicans differently because of this. According to the National Geographic Genome Study, the average mestizo in Los Angeles is over 34% Native. Further research shows that it is much higher in certain states of Mexico. This chart highlights the Native ancestry in the mestizo population here. Curiously enough, the minimum blood quantum to be Native American in the US is usually about 1/4 Native, although it varies by tribe. Using the 25% rule, 80% of Mexicans should be considered Native American, if we were to keep the same standards as the US does. So why don't we keep the same standards? It could be a policy of divide and conquer.